here, watch. I'm next. Oh, no clapping, huh? I'm next. Oh, that's Junior, that's Junior. I'm both of them. Oh! Oh, that one looks bad, the first one. No, me. Oh, my turn. My turn. My turn. Oh, yeah. That's me. Hey, you. Woo! That's me. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, yeah. That's Sergio. Hey, Crystal. Crystal. That's me. That's me. That's Gabriel. Sergio, you're next. That's me. That's me. Oh, yeah. No, Gabriel. That's Gabriel. Not me. Not me. Sergio. That's Junior. You're the one on the top. Let's go. It missed me next. Oh, damn! I got two. You're the top on the bottom. Woo! Okay, I'm next. Sprinkle, sprinkle, little star. There's two more. That was me. That was me. That's me. It's Gabriel now. Gabriel. Gabriel's me. Oh, I got two. There's at the bottom. Woo! Boston! I'm next. Give up for the Celtics. Celtics. Yeah, thank you. Now Lakers. Ooh, no yellow. Purple. You have four. Come on, give up for the Celtics again. Yeah. Dodgers. Lakers. Dodgers! That was Lakers. And Dodgers. Oh yeah, Lakers. Dodgers! Yeah, God, Lakers again, man. Lakers and Celtics. Oh no, that's USA. Oh, Celtics! Oh, that looks like the sad face. Oh my God, it's 3D! No. Oh shit! Oh, man, my God, this big. That's me. All of these are me. Okay, I'll start now.
I like that one.
Thanks, hold it.
I know.
Hey, Crystal, what does it go up to? How long did you play?
No.
I wonder what the last one is.
Oh, yeah, all of them. All at once.
So the player.
They better have a good time.
Wow, that hurt. Okay,
That one is
Hey,
good.
me now or me?
oh, shoot.
I'm getting scared. It's like you can feel it.
Oh my God.
You feel the wind thing?
Oh, Lakers!
I think the finale's coming
Lakers
close.
again! No. Oh, the Celtics. Celtics! Celtics again. Celtics again. Celtics are not next. Celtics. Lakers! No Celtics. Oh, that was yellow. Celtics.
Cute.
Hey, Lakers. That one has green. Green has Celtics. Oh, Lakers and Rockets. Yeah, Rockets. Lakers!
Ow.
Yeah!
That was fun.
Rockets. Yeah.
Man, that was smoke.
I know.
Look how much cool they did to that.
Over?
Oh, dang.
Oh, wow. Whoa.
That was huge. That was me. I love these for me.
I don't know what's bigger now, here or the Philippines.
Looks like they're dropping bombs on us.
This one's pretty intense. Dang!
Oh, that
Shoot.
was sick.
Oh, ow.
Damn. Damn, that's a bullet shot.
Dude, look how high he's going.
I know. Oh my god.
Not shot.
There in the Philippines.
Yeah. This is even higher than Disneyland.
Destroying the sky.
Whoa. It's higher than the ones those are going. Oh my god.
This is free. That one's sick. We're not even done yet.
I know. Whoa.
How do they do this?
Oh no. A professional. Oh shoot.
Get one for Lakers! I think everybody heard you, girl.
Ow.
Oh, Celtics!
That was high.
Yeah! Oh, no, wrong or something. Yeah!
I know.
That one was
Mavericks!
Oh
My God!
spent like $80.
Oh, ow. Yeah, me too. Oh, whoa.
Lakers!
Ooh. Oh, shoot. I feel like it's right above me.
I feel like this is illegal.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, shoot.
They're not even done yet. Playing overtime with other people shooting fireworks. Oh,
At 1 minute left, it's not even over yet.
that one's nice. Everybody's missing this. Tiffany,
I know. Dang.
Oh,
Ow.
Last one.
Oh. Dude,
sponsor.
it's been going on since 9. What time is it now? 9:22.
You thought that the ones over here were the
Really?
These are huge.
Where are they buying?
Oh,
These are not from TNT. Oh.
Oh, look at that one!
What was that?
scary thing.
Oh shoot.
Okay, this was so much fun.
The higher ones are the louder ones. The more higher they go, the more louder they go.
Oh,
Anyhow, scared.
The lower they get.
Patrick would have been crying.
Because these are hella close.
Oh,
Whoa.
what is this?
What is
Shoot.
Dude, I'd be scared about setting these off.
I only have 13 seconds left.